Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you are getting this application has failed to start because the side-by-side configuration is incorrect error on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and select run. Now in the run dialog box you will need to type in fwiz.cpl. Now click on OK. Now in the programs and features window that opens, you will need to scroll down and find this Microsoft C++, the latest version, that is the 2015 and 2022. Once you have found it, simply right click on it and select change. Now you will see this dialog box, click on repair here. Now you will need to repeat this step for each of the Microsoft Visual C++ entry. Once you have done that, simply restart your PC and your issue will be solved. However, if you still experience problems with a specific app like Chrome or a specific game for instance, your best option is to simply go ahead and uninstall it completely and then reinstall it again. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and select terminal admin. Now in the terminal admin window, you'll need to type this command, that is sfc/scan now. Now hit enter. Now wait for this command to run and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.